In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp for project management. We'll walk through a simple workflow that shows you the main ways to view and manage your work in ClickUp, so you can understand what each option is for and when to use it. Start by heading to your ClickUp workspace and opening your team space overview. This is your high-level home base, where you can see everything that lives inside that space. From here, the first view to explore is the list view. Click on List to see your tasks in a structured, spreadsheet-style layout. This is great for detailed work. You can quickly scan task names, statuses, due dates, assignees, and any key fields your team uses. Next, switch over to the Board view by clicking on Board. Board view shows your tasks as cards grouped in columns, usually by status. This is perfect if you like a Kanban-style workflow, where you can drag and drop tasks from To Do to In Progress to Done. It gives you a very visual sense of how work is moving through your process. Then, click on Gantt. The Gantt view is ideal for timeline and dependency planning. Here, tasks appear on a calendar-style timeline, so you can see start and end dates, overlaps, and how shifting one task affects others. It's especially useful for planning larger projects with multiple phases. Now click on View to explore additional options, and then choose the option to monitor work being done. This opens up tools focused on tracking progress rather than just listing tasks. From there, click on Workload. The Workload view lets you see who is handling what and how busy each person is. It helps you avoid overloading team members and makes it easier to balance assignments across the team. While you're in this area, click on Add Task so you can quickly create new work directly from the view you're in. You'll also see different item types you can add. Click on Doc to create a collaborative document, which is perfect for meeting notes, project briefs, or process documentation. Then click on Reminder to set simple personal reminders for yourself, so smaller to-dos don't get lost. Next, click on Whiteboard. This is a visual space where you can brainstorm, map workflows, or sketch out ideas with your team. After that, click on Dashboard to see a customizable overview of your projects using charts, widgets, and reports that matter most to you. To finish up, click on the highlighted areas that represent your chosen view or configuration, then click on List again to return to your standard task list. Finally, click on the highlighted Save option to save this setup so the views and layout you prefer are ready to go next time you open your workspace.